What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. Gonna go with our friend SPX6900. We're just investing and believing in something. We're not trading this one, but we are looking at the chart analysis. So we're sitting at 78 cents. Nice bounce of about 16% over the last 24 hours. Market cap under 1,727,000,000. Get in while you can. 24-hour volume 35 million. So if I pop into the chart, we actually pushed back above the 78.6 that I showed previously in the last video. I said we need to get back above that level if we are going to see a bullish turnaround. And so far off that low here, came all the way back down to 55 cents. Insane. We've had a wave one, a wave two pullback, and now we've pushed up in a wave three. Now you may push up a little bit more to complete that wave three, because as of right now you got 1, 2, 3, but these micro counts, once you get under the 1 hour time frame, it's really not very accurate. So once we complete that first 5-wave impulse to the upside off this low here, 55 cents, then we can definitely consider that this correction is over. As you can see, massive head and shoulders pattern, and we just saw a huge pullback, a huge correction. Retail is extremely bearish and depressed, while the whales are buying. So definitely a good time to see a bullish turnaround, in my opinion. But we need to see the first 5 waves off the low for confirmation. If we look at the daily chart, as you can see, we came all the way back down to my break even, which is a little bit depressing, but that's how it is. I actually have, I think, what do I have? Just 2 separate bags. I had to buy another cold storage wallet because I have a bunch of SPX around $1. I don't want to mix it with my 63-cent entry, so I bought a separate cold storage wallet just for SPX. But I'm a believer. Smash up that like button and subscribe if you are a SPX believer and want to see more chart analysis. We need to get back above those daily EMAs. We need to break this resistance of about 90 cents. And once we get back above those daily EMAs, that's strong confirmation, especially once you see the bullish cross, that you're going to continue back to the upside. Of course, it's all based on probability. So if we roll over and we fail to create a 5-wave move, then we can come down and break these lows and go into the 40-cent range, but I don't think that's the higher probability. All right, gang, that's what we're looking at for SPX. If you want completely free access to my trading group, which includes my daily crypto analysis for many projects, my exact trade setups for crypto and Forex. You can also see what I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits. Yours free with a 30-second sign up to Bitfinex, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world. One of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America, 10% back on every single one of your trade on your fees when you sign up through my link. Take the 30 seconds, sign up, definitely worth it in my opinion. Send me email, I'll send you the link. Almost 3,000 members. You get all these goodies, as well as trading group chats if you want to chat with other investors and traders. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.